Tonight's Next Time Try This segment is a quick tip that will help you when you're trying to install your rear wheel. We've all done the dance with the rear wheel and the spacer when trying to position it so we can slide the axle through. The spacer keeps falling out over and over and your frustration rises. On this particular bike, a 1978 VintCo, we're taking a 7/16 deep socket, which happens to be about the same diameter as the axle, and inserting it into the spacer in order to hold the spacer in position against the bearing while we wrestle the wheel into place. Once the wheel is in place, we drive the axle through and the deep socket is pushed out. Next time, try that.